Here are 5 healthy cooking recipes. 1. Grilled lemon herb chicken. Ingredients. For boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 tablespoons olive oil, juice of 1 lemon. 2 cloves garlic, minced 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon dried rosemary. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. In a small bowl, mix together olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, thyme, rosemary, salt, and pepper. 2. Place chicken breasts in a shallow dish and pour the marinade over them. Make sure the chicken is evenly coated. Marinate in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. 3. Preheat grill to medium-high heat. Grill chicken for 6 to 8 minutes per side, or until cooked through and no longer pink in the center. 4. Serve with your favorite vegetables or salad. 2. Quinoa salad with chickpeas and avocado. Ingredients. 1 cup quinoa, rinsed 1 can, 15 ounces, chickpeas, drained and rinsed. 1 avocado, diced 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved 1/4 cup red onion, finely chopped. 2 tablespoons fresh cilantro, chopped juice of 1 lime, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. Cook quinoa according to package instructions. Once cooked, let it cool to room temperature. 1. In a large bowl, combine cooked quinoa, chickpeas, avocado, cherry tomatoes, red onion, and cilantro. 2. In a small bowl, whisk together lime juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Pour over the salad and toss to combine. 3. Serve chilled or at room temperature. 3. Baked salmon with asparagus. Ingredients. For salmon fillet, 1 bunch asparagus, trimmy. 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 cloves garlic, minced 1 teaspoon lemon zest, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. Preheat oven to 400 degree F, 200 degrees Celsius. 2. Place salmon fillets on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. 3. Arrange asparagus around the salmon. In a small bowl, mix together olive oil, minced garlic, lemon zest, salt, and pepper. 4. Drizzle the mixture over the salmon and asparagus. 5. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until salmon is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. Serve hot with a side of brown rice or quinoa. 4. Stir-fried tofu with vegetables. Ingredients. 1 block, 14 ounces, firm tofu, drained and cubed. 2 cups mixed vegetables, bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, snap peas, etc., chopped. 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 2 cloves garlic, minced 1 teaspoon ginger, grated. 2 green onions, chopped. Cooked brown rice for serving. Instructions. 0. Heat sesame oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add minced garlic and grated ginger, and sauté for 1 minute. 1. Add tofu cubes to the skillet and cook until lightly browned on all sides, about 5 to 7 minutes. 2. Add mixed vegetables to the skillet and stir-fry for another 5 minutes, or until vegetables are tender crisp. 3. Stir in soy sauce and chopped green onions. Cook for an additional 2 minutes. 4. Serve hot over cooked brown rice. 5. Vegetarian stuffed bell peppers. Ingredients. For large bell peppers, halved and seeds removed. 1 cup quinoa, cooked 1 can, 15 ounces, black beans, drained and rinsed 1 cup corn kernels. 1 cup salsa, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon cumin, salt and pepper to taste. 1/2 cup shredded cheddar cheese, optional. Instructions. 0. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius. 1. In a large bowl, mix together cooked quinoa, black beans, corn, salsa, chili powder, cumin, salt, and pepper. 2. Spoon the quinoa mixture into each halved bell pepper until they are filled. 3. Place stuffed bell peppers in a baking dish. If desired, sprinkle shredded cheddar cheese on top. 4. Cover the baking dish with foil and bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until peppers are tender. 5. Serve hot with a dollop of Greek yogurt or avocado slices on top. Enjoy your healthy cooking.